Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is the Rusty Bartender, and this is the Noob's Guide to Amaro. Specifically, in this edition, Amaro Montenegro. So what is Amaro Montenegro? What's it made from? What's it taste like? According to the internet, Amaro Montenegro is an Italian Amaro distilled in Bologna, Italy. It's made from a proprietary blend of 40 botanicals, including vanilla, orange peels, and eucalyptus. Eucalyptus, eh? Anyway, let's see if we can taste any of those notes. All right, what are we talking here? All right, so it's 23 ABV, so it's not too strong, and it's not too not strong. Is that a thing? On the nose, I'm getting vanilla. I'm also getting a very herbally sort of cola smell off it. Getting the orange peels as well. Let's give it a taste. As with a lot of the other Amaros, it coats your tongue straight away. Gives it the burning sensation. Your tongue doesn't know what's happening because it's sweet and bitter at the same time. So it starts off the front of your tongue, you're getting the sweet vibes from it, and then at the end, once you've swallowed and had it and sit in your mouth for a while, you're starting to get the bitter notes at the back. Get some cinnamon off that too. Let's add some ice, see if it makes any difference. Okay, nice. Yeah, so once you add ice, it really lengthens it. Actually tastes like a kind of a cinnamon flavored cola, if that makes sense. Getting a lot of cinnamon on the nose. Surprising, I don't get any eucalyptus off that at all. Let's add a little bit of soda water, see if that does anything to it. That's really pleasant. It's really nice over soda. Anyway, join me on the next one, and we're going to try Amaro Averna. See what it tastes like. Cheers, folks.